Alrighty, so today we're going to try something a little different. Something out of the norm for me. Stepping outside my comfort zone. We're going to try something out. Over here, I already have my ingredients already factored out with the correct measurements. Using cups, tablespoons, teaspoons, half a cups, fourths of cups, liquid measurements, whole measurements, the whole shebang. We're gonna make some cookies. What we're gonna add, we have our brown sugar, we have our butter, and we have our regular sugar here. We're gonna add these into our blender. Started with our butter, room temperature, cup and a half. So 1.5 sticks of butter. All right, now we're gonna add in our brown sugar. We're just gonna pour that in there, lock it into place, and we're gonna cut it on. So you just push it forward. Oh. Our wet ingredients, we got three eggs.
Put egg in it.
I got it. I'll do the eggs. Uno, dos, cuatro. Uno, dos, tres. We need a tablespoon of vanilla.
No.
We're gonna just mix the vanilla in.
No, get that one.
All right. So next in, we're gonna add in our amounts of flour. Quite a lot of flour. Yeah, whoa. Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Chocolate. And then Axel grab that last one. And that is baking powder, baking soda, baking powder. So we mixed it all in. We need to slow mix it together.
Whoa, that was real slow.
Since he quit. She's getting thick. Slow your blender down a little bit.
It's hot though.
Hot. It smells. Play-Doh. Play-Doh, Play-Doh, Play-Doh. Alright, look at this. Good consistency. It's doughy. I'm pretty sure that's what we're aiming for. I don't know. Now look at those. My gosh. I'm actually kind of proud. All right. Into the oven, 350. I'm going to let... All right. So this next part is pretty simple. Why our cookies cook 2/3 a cup into a bowl of heavy whipping cream. Always got mixers, baby. Always got measuring cups. One. And two. Now we're just going to put this in the microwave and get a little bubbly. I was right with my measurements. Getting pretty good at that. A little short, but it'll be alright. You'll start seeing it formulate into that rich consistency as all those chocolate chips melt into that heavy cream. Oh. Oh. For this creation, woo, buddy. Get a line. Let me get a line. Here. All right, take a bite. Is it good? Axel? Is it good? Wow. So I'm gonna sit here. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this cookie, the three of us eating it. If you will, try making this. I know it seems like a lot of ingredients. I guarantee you, you're gonna blow the pants off your family when you do it. We're all about making something simple. Never made stuff like this before. I did it. You can do it too, okay? That's my logic. If I can sit there and make this, never baked anything like this before in my life, you can do it too. Having said that, thank you for watching my video. Like it, please subscribe. All of it helps me. Drop a comment below and let me know what you want me to try to make next, and we'll make it together, okay? Keep it simple. Keep it always. We're simply here parenting, right?